Hello, my name is Michaela Matson, and I will be teaching you effective time management skills. Time management is the process of being aware and conscious of the time spent on daily tasks. The 5 steps that I will be teaching you will help you manage your time. There are 5 steps to effectively managing your time. The first step is to make a to-do list. The second step is to break big tasks into smaller chunks. The third step is to remove yourself from all distractions. The fourth step is to find your most productive time in the day, and the fifth step is to take breaks when working. The first step is to make a to-do list. You can make a to-do list on a piece of paper, sticky notes, on a computer, or even a phone. Decide which method works best for you. Then write down everything you want to accomplish within a designated time period. Make sure that it is doable and it is not too overwhelming. The second step is to break up big tasks into smaller chunks. Identify which task is too big to complete all at once. Then separate it into smaller portions so it is not too overwhelming. For example, if I have to clean the kitchen, I would separate it into doing the dishes, sweeping the floor, and wiping down the counters. It will make you feel more accomplished when you all finished. The third step is to remove yourself from all distractions. Distractions can be different for everyone. It could be an electronic device, an individual, or noise. Move yourself away from your distractions when getting things done on your to-do list. Do not try to work around your distractions. The fourth step is to identify the most productive time in the day that you work best in. Some people will work best in the morning, afternoon, evening, or at night. Designate that time in the day to accomplish your to-do list. The fifth step is to take frequent breaks when working. Taking breaks will refresh your brain, help you process and retain what you are working on, and reduce your stress. You can set a timer, go for a walk, take breaths, or go on your phone. Set an amount of time for breaks and do not go over that set amount of time. There are 5 steps to effective time management. The first step is to make a to-do list. The second step is to break big tasks into smaller chunks. The third step is to remove yourself from all distractions. The fourth step is to find your most productive time in the day. And the fifth step is to take breaks when working. Following these 5 steps will help you manage your time effectively in all of what you need to complete. Remember, use your time wisely.